This is inside the mixing box looking up at the return. You can see that the painting inside the return above the mixing box is not very good. A lot of exposed insulation, old deteriorated fiberglass insulation. It goes to the return to the choir. The returns are inside the choir. And that passageway leads, that duct leads to the choir returns. But what's obvious here is that the paint has not been applied consistently, uniformly, and there's much exposed, old, deteriorated fiberglass insulation.